Namaskar. Good afternoon to everybody. Today, indeed, it's my privilege to be over here. And at the outset, before starting anything, I must apologize to the organizing team. I was supposed to come yesterday for a lecture, but due to some reason, right up till the last moment, it was not sure that I would be able to make it. But then, I think almost 3 times a day, Santosh was giving me a call. And once he does that, it becomes very difficult. So, luckily, I could make it, but I made it yesterday late in the night. So, that's why I apologize for that. And I thank you for having invited me here today. Maharashtra State President, Dr. Thackeray sir, you have heard what type of a personality he is. जितका माणूस शांत असतो तितका माणूस आतून टफ असतो and this is what is epitome of Dr. Thackeray. Especially as far as medico-legal things are concerned, legal things are concerned, not only that, but I think even branch constitutions are concerned, I think he agrasar आहे तो एकदम पुढे, right? He has created everything and I hope you all also go through whatever documents he has prepared for the state and for the national. My friend, colleague for years, Dr. Ravi, I think everybody, he has spoken about everybody, but let me tell you about this man. He was the first, I think one of the only national presidents who took on the national government in the very first week or 10 days of becoming the president, national president. And we had that huge strike, which we always used to say was, as far as medical fraternity is concerned, we could never have a strike all over India, but that during his tenure, because he roamed about all over India, I think we were successful and we could stop a lot of things that were going to come, which would have been quite harmful for the medical fraternity. Then my friend again, and who was with me in the council also, Dr. Jayesh Lele, we have fought a lot of battles together. We have won some, we have lost some, but I think he is a man who will never stop fighting, and everybody has seen that. Dr. Anil, I think majority of you all know him. I have known him right from his college days. He is a great IMA activist and a fighter and knows when to say yes for anything, and rarely he ever says no for something. So he's that type of a personality. And then my gurus in IMA, Dr. Arankar sir, Dr. Bakulesh sir, Dr. Navrange sir, and these are the elders from whom we have learned what exactly is IMA and how to fight for IMA. So thank you very much all of you for having guided us all these years. We have the state leaders and office bearers, Dr. Gorpade, Dr. Jadhav, Dr. Gade, Dr. Marathe, who are over here. And the very fact that you have so many people from the state and the national who are sitting on the dais today, I think this is one of the biggest dais I've seen ever, around 20 people. And that credit goes to, I think, IMA Akluz and to Santosh for being able to collect so many leaders over here under one roof. President of Akluz branch, Dr. Sanjay Sheth, Secretary Nitin Rane, DWD Chiefs Dr. Revati Rane Madam, Dr. Swapnanjali, Dr. Arwari, and Dr. Gujar, who is the Chief of Women's Wing. And last but not the least, my close friend and colleague, Dr. Santosh. I think Santosh is a man who knows how to get yes from a person like me. So, always gentle, always very respectful to whomever he talks to. And you have heard just now that whenever he has had such big programs, he has got the support of the whole women's wing of Akluj. आम्हाला आमच्या एका पत्नीला मॅनेज करणं डिफिकल्ट पडतं. आय डोंट नो हाऊ ही मॅनेजेस द होल शो. And what do I say about Akluj branch? I think a branch which is about 200 plus, of which more than 100 of you with your families are over here. And the name of Akluj and of course Santosh has become almost synonymous at the Maharashtra state level. And it was possible for you to do all these things purely because of the unity that you have got in your branch. You work as a family, and that is something very few branches can boast about. And I hope you continue working as one unit even in the future so that you can achieve more and more. The only thing request to Dr. Santosh would be, and what I think just now Ravi has also said, that your ladies wing is active in Akluj. I think it's high time you start pushing them at the state level and then the national level also. You have got the potential. The thing is, you require that push to be given to all these. And from yesterday, I've been seeing the programs that you all are holding. I've also heard all the lectures which were there online when I was coming all the way. Even in the morning, I was hearing it online. I think beautiful lectures. And the best part is the theme that you have taken, robotics. I mean, this is the future of medicine. I've been giving talks on AI everywhere and what technological changes and how it is going to disrupt the whole way of how we are going to practice in the future. And even, and let me tell you, at the national level, we are contemplating having a separate wing as far as, AI is concerned, because that is what is going to be, that you have to follow in your day-to-day practice tomorrow. And whatever we have learned of whatever, may it be clinical, may it be investigative, whatever it is, the whole thing is going to change, I think, within the next less than a decade, when AI is going to play a big role as far as your clinical practice is concerned. And so congratulations for choosing such a topic over here today. So I bring greetings from IMA headquarters, so I'll just speak a few words of whatever IMA headquarters is doing, because everybody asks us, what is IMA doing for our members? Number one is a charter of demands. I hope everybody of you all have heard those 10 charters, main things that we have demanded from the politicians in this election time. My request is, please go to whoever are the who are standing for the elections over there in your area, for the MP elections. Please meet them and hand them over the Charter of Demands. Many a times I hear people saying that what is the use, they never listen to me. See, try and you will succeed. This is what we have learned right from our school days. We keep on trying. We have been successful in a lot of things. Like Clinical Establishment Act in Maharashtra, we have been successful in not getting the Clinical Establishment Acts, which is detrimental to our practice, for so many years in spite of the pressure from the central government on Maharashtra government. And that has been possible because we have kept on trying to avoid this clinical till they come out with an Maharashtra-specific act which is conducive to how we are going to practice. And that document is already ready, which has been given to the government. Please go through the document. I think it is there on the Maharashtra State website. The second aspect is the issues of nursing homes, which I was supposed to talk yesterday. HBI has taken it up very, very seriously. May it be the MPCB issue, may it be the renewal of registration. Even at the Maharashtra State, we have taken this up. We know how difficult it is getting day by day for small hospitals that we doctors as IMA members, single or in jointly, we own. Unfortunately, what I foresee is corporate hospitals are going to take over the whole thing in the future. So we have to avoid that. And to avoid that, we have to unify as one unit of small nursing homes. And the IMA headquarters and IMA state is also fighting on every issue. And today the greatest issue is the MPCB issue. All of you are aware. We are not getting our renewals because of that. We are working both at the national, and let me tell you, because of our persistent demands with the national government, the central government, which we were trying for the last almost 10 years to see to it that IMA becomes part and parcel of the committee formed by the central government as far as health issues are concerned. Health sector, we are the greatest healthcare sector that is there. And we have been successful because today, let me tell you, in MPCB also, there is one IMA representative who's there in the central board. There's one representative who's there in the state government MPCB board also. So they can, partake in whatever rules and regulations are coming, which is going to be conducive to us. And that is the strength of IMA, and slowly this strength is growing day